Good evening, Opostars. We'll continue the 5-minute starter series with the Paneer Pani Puri. Paneer Pani Puri, it is incredibly simple to feed a crowd with very little stuff. I'll show you how. We start the stopwatch. Just need to chop potatoes into small bits. You don't need to remove the skin. Just ensure that you chop them into small bits so that they can cook really fast. Larger chunks take longer time cooking. This is half a kg of potatoes, and they can be used for up to 7 plates of Pani Puri. So you can feed a small crowd with them. You'll see that the chopping doesn't take too much of time. In a couple of minutes, the loading should be done. Yeah. That's it. Add a bit of water, just quarter cup of water is good enough. That's it. And add half a kg of chopped potatoes. No spices required, just a bit of turmeric powder and a bit of salt. Close. Cook on high for around 3 to 4 whistles. I'm sorry, I forgot to put the paneer in. I'll do so now. The pressure has not built up, so you can open it and add whatever you like. In the meantime, I'll prepare the other stuff. So we'll make the water for the Pani Puri. I'll make this in a bigger bowl. Just bear with me for a minute. Some water, a bit of lemon juice, some chopped cilantro, some chopped bundi, bundi, fresh bundi, and some jaljeera powder, just to spice it up. That's all that is needed. Mix it all up and you have the pani ready. Now we'll prepare other stuff. We chop a bit of onion. This will give us enough pani puri for around 7 plates. So the idea of this series is to make pretty easy starters to feed a small crowd in under 10 minutes or so. Some chopped green chilies. Chopped cilantro, and we'll just mix this with the potatoes. This is mostly done. All that is left is to set it up. We have some sev here, we have some bundi here, and we just need to mix this with the potatoes. Mash all together, and we have our filling ready too. This packet is 30 bucks with around 50 fresh puris. So you'll get around 7 plates. I'm preparing enough stuff to make 7 plates of 6 puris each. And that will take you less than 10 minutes from scratch. Paneer pani puri is something not available easily. You can make a cheese version, you can make a paneer version. The idea is to add protein in some way. Once the basic stuff is ready, fill it with sev, call it sev puri. Do not add water, call it suki puri. Add some dahi, call it dahi puri. It's completely up to you. And add whatever spices you like. You want cumin powder, you want chaat masala, you want chili powder. Feel free to add whatever you like. I am making a very basic version. That's 3, and let it go for 1 more whistle. Four whistles, switch off. You can let the pressure settle or release it if you are in a hurry. That's how it looks. Just need to mash everything up. Including the paneer. You'll see how easily the potatoes mash. That's because we cut them into small bits. There you go. That is the masala required for up to 7 plates. 7 or 8 plates. Mix it all up. And you are good to go. That's actually quite a lot of masala. Now mix in whatever spice powders you like. Just doesn't matter. Pretty simple, no? This is a huge amount. Would easily serve around 6 to 7 people. 6 to 7 plates of pani puri. This is 30 bucks all others put together would cost you probably 20-25 bucks. So you have a mini party ready now. Thanks a lot. Do try this out and please post your validations.